Building a brand new WordPress website is easier than ever with the WordPress Starter by SiteGround. When you get a hosting account from SiteGround, install WordPress, and log in for the first time, you'll be prompted to begin setting up your site. The first step is choosing a theme from our curated selection of designs. These themes come loaded with placeholder content, so you can easily visualize your website layout and edit the text and images to make it your own. Next, we'll ask you what functionalities you want on your new website. Need an e-commerce store, a contact form, or an event calendar? Want to boost your site with marketing tools like SEO and analytics? Just make your selections and the SiteGround WordPress Starter will automatically install all the best plugins to make it happen. And that's it! Your site is ready to go in no time with SiteGround hosting.